What going on? Thought they did this yesterday, but I had some other stuff I had to do. But do a cold start. I'm gonna crank my car first. The car ain't crunk up and got me all week. Oh yeah. Let her run. Now see Memphis starting to clear up a little bit where my street is. A little cold start on the cutlass. I ain't crunked this car, man. Man, I think since that last, no, I take that back. Since the 7-8 Chevy boy and them had that connect, not competing at Martin Luther King Park. Every time I crunk this car. See what you got. Oh yeah. Miss a beat. Missing a beat. My Wonder Woman. Y'all don't know about that, man. Y'all don't fuck with Trey like that.
You know, life is funny when you look at it. Everybody wants love.
See that? Can't listen around forever. Now you gotta slow it down a little bit. That ride music right there. That's what I call ride music, that in the blues. Oh yeah, baby. Got my factory back on. I'm gonna ride them for a minute. Leave them on for a minute, man. I got some plans for these. One reason I lost my damn 2 of my center caps, man. So I gotta order some more off eBay. But I'm gonna ride factory for a minute. Then my 3rd brake light failed. Been so damn cold in the garage, it never just stuck. So I'm gonna go buy me some more 3M tape, adhesive double-sided 3M tape. Probably do that once the weather kind of break a little bit. Well, not break, but probably. Oh, I may do it today. Either today or tomorrow. I gotta go to my mom's house tomorrow, so. Get back in the house, boy. So. Y'all don't know about no Key Sweat, man. Y'all boy ain't on this sweat, man. That's how you ride a bump sweat right there. That's how you ride a bump sweat. Never. Man, that thing look good on them factory, boy. Okay. What they wore that sale? Oh man, my wife gonna kill me this ice and white towel outside like that. She ain't heard I'm sneaking in the house while she gone, throw it in the laundry room. But it is, man. I just want to do a cold start video, that's all. Let that air warm up, let that motor warm up. I think I'm gonna ride tomorrow. Especially the streets stay like clear up today. It's gonna be 60 degrees in Memphis. The streets gonna clear up and just be a little wet. Yeah, I think I'm gonna ride tomorrow, man. Look at that shit falling off the car. Let me get this big motherfucker down. Take it in the house anyway. Damn lighter. Let it heat up. Woo! Ain't that shit cold coming out of there. I've been thinking about you all day long. Yeah, y'all don't know about that sweat, boy. Y'all ain't on that sweat, my boy. Y'all ain't on that sweat, my boy. Y'all ain't on that boy sweat, man. Y'all know what y'all talking about. My little boy too, he swear he be trying to fix stuff. Man, I heard about him a 4-wheeler. I got my partner to hook it up with LED lights on the bottom of it. Put a radio and all that on that 4-wheeler. He was good. A power wheel. Man, I go in there the other day, the man said, Dad, I'm working on my car like you. And it snatched all the wires out there. I said, golly. Good Sunday morning. Well, Sunday evening now. Got sweat going good. That's how you ride. Y'all young boy, y'all listen a little more of that, there'll be less shooting going on. You be finding you a woman to get next to. Alright, sign now, let me go. What you got going on? Cut my little gas save off too. Alright, sign now, man. I'll check y'all later.